Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can create estimate on QuickFile accounting software. To issue an estimate or quote, we need to go to Sales section and click on Create New Estimate. Also, we can create new estimates from Estimate list by clicking on this Create button. Here we can add a new details of new customer or client. You will need to fill in a simple contact card or start typing details of our available customers, and they will show up here. On right hand side, estimate number is automatically generated by system. You can also quote a reference number if customer have asked to quote one, and also you can change a issue date. From here we can add a new lines, time event line or item line. And also we can add a line by clicking on these green pluses. If you do not need any of lines, click on red crosses and they will be removed. Add a description of a product or service that you want to send this estimate for. So for example, I have product, unit cost of 500, and add a quantity. If you need to apply a discount, don't forget to add a discount at the top, and it will automatically apply discount here. Project tags can be used if you are using ones, add those here. Also, additional notes and payment terms can be added in these two boxes. Don't forget to tick this box so it saves time in the future, because these notes can be saved for future invoices. Save details, you can preview and send this estimate out. So before we sending estimate out, this is how estimate looks like, and it is in draft status, so it has been not sent yet. We can attach support documents if we need to, and also we can add any additional notes for this estimate. If you need to change, click on modified estimate and you will be brought back to previous screen and you will be able to amend details. If you want to download or print, click on download and print, or you can send it out from QuickFile accounting software directly. You just need to make sure that email address is provided. If you have printed or downloaded and distributed in different ways this estimate, you can mark this estimate as a sent by clicking on flag estimate as sent. So now when we go to our list of estimates, our shop limit product estimate is here and it is marked as a sent. So in this episode I showed you how you can issue or create estimates on QuickFile accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my QuickFile tutorial and review episodes.